Have you ever been completely sure about something, only to realize later you were totally wrong? Maybe you remember leaving your keys on the table, but they're in your pocket. Or you recall a conversation that never actually happened. Here's the truth. Your brain lies to you, not because it's evil or broken, but because it's trying to help you survive. It constantly edits reality, fills in blanks, and rewrites memories just to keep your world simple and believable. Today, let's see how and why your brain deceives you every single day. Your senses aren't reality. You'd think your senses show you the real world. They don't. Every second, your brain receives millions of pieces of data through your eyes, ears, and skin, but it can only process a small fraction, so it filters, guesses, and edits. That's why you fall for optical illusions, lines that seem curved but aren't, or colors that change depending on their surroundings. Your eyes send raw data, but your brain fills in the rest, even inventing details that aren't really there. You don't see reality. You see your brain's best guess of it. Your memory is a story, not a recording. We like to think of memory as a video replay, but it's not. Every time you recall something, your brain rebuilds that memory from pieces, and each time, tiny errors sneak in. A word changes, a color fades, a new detail appears that never happened. Over time, those edits turn into false memories, stories you believe because they feel real. That's why two people can remember the same event completely differently, because both brains have rewritten their own versions of the truth. Confirmation bias. Your brain also lies to protect your beliefs. It uses a trick called confirmation bias. You automatically notice information that supports what you already believe and ignore what challenges it. Think your friend is lazy? You'll notice every moment they rest, but ignore the times they work hard. Think a certain diet is bad? You'll only remember negative studies, not the balanced ones. Your brain isn't searching for truth, it's searching for comfort. The Dunning-Kruger effect. Here's another illusion. You're not as smart as you think you are. The Dunning-Kruger effect explains that people with little knowledge tend to overestimate their ability. While experts often doubt themselves because they see how much they don't know, your brain loves confidence more than accuracy. It fills in gaps with guesses and convinces you, I've got this. That's why beginners sound certain, while experts sound cautious. Emotions trick you too. Emotions are another way your brain bends the truth. Fear tells you something is dangerous when it's not. Anxiety says everyone's judging you, even when nobody cares. Anger convinces you that you're right, even when you're wrong. Emotions evolve to protect you, not to inform you. They help you act fast, not think clearly. So when feelings seem overwhelming, remember, they're signals, not facts. How to catch your brain lying. So how do you outsmart your brain? First, question certainty. When you feel too sure, pause and ask, could I be wrong? Second, seek the other side. Listen to people who disagree with you. It's uncomfortable, but it's the fastest way to see your blind spots. And third, stay curious. Curiosity slows the brain's shortcuts and brings you closer to reality. Your brain will always lie because that's how it keeps you safe, stable, and sane. But once you learn how it lies, you can start seeing the world and yourself more clearly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. And remember, reality isn't what you see, it's what your brain wants you to see.